Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. Amid the BJP candidates facing protests from the farmers in Punjab, State Party Chief Sunil Jakhar Monday sought intervention of Chief Electoral Officer, claiming that the party nominees were being forced to withdraw from the campaigns. Jakhar expressed the apprehension on the possible collusion of the ruling Aam Aadmi Party and other parties in causing obstructions and incoherences in the campaign of the BJP candidates. The BJP candidates and the leaders have been facing protests from farmers while campaigning for the Lok Sabha polls. As part of their protest, the farmers asked questions to the BJP leaders and showed them black flags for not agreeing to their demands. A delegation of BJP leaders led by Sunil Jakhar on Monday submitted a memorandum to Punjab Chief Electoral Officer Siban, claiming that the state machinery has miserably failed to ensure the right to campaign of the BJP candidates in the poll fray, that is Lok Sabha elections of 2024. Without providing an equal platform to the campaign, the election processes will be rendered futile, claimed Sunil Jakhar, the party chief of BJP, who was flanked by the party leaders Parminder Barar and Vineet Joshi. He further said that while the BJP has always stood for the rights of the farmers, believing in the dialogue as way of forward, such unchecked protests against the BJP candidates who were being forced to withdraw from the campaigns in the parts of Punjab can lead to unforeseeable consequences and untoward incidents of violence and clashes, said Sunil Jakhar in the memorandum submitted to the Chief Electoral Officer. He further said the possibility of the anti-social elements sneaking under the garb of farmer protests and creating havoc cannot be ruled out. This would vitiate the elections, rendering both the processes and the final outcome unfair, he said in the memorandum. Further, Sunil Jakhar said that if the election machinery does not intervene to check this well-planned conspiracy against BJP, it will vitiate the process and the final outcome unfair. The memorandum further read, free and fair elections and the right to campaign have always remained quintessential ingredients in flourishing democracies. This epistle to bring to your notice and highlight our apprehension of well-calibrated sponsored denial of the right of the BJP candidates to campaign in Punjab in the backdrop of the deteriorating law and order situation under the incumbent Aam Aadmi Party government led by Bhagwant Mann. He alleged deteriorating law and order situation in Punjab while underlining the ongoing disruptions and denial of the right to campaign to the BJP candidates. He further wrote, it remains the responsibility of the Punjab Electoral Office, the state administrative and the police apparatus to ensure the BJP candidates have unhindered access to every part to exert their democratic right to campaign. However, he added dozens of incidents in the recent past and the latest incident in Patiala where a farmer died falling on his own on a road during campaign of the BJP candidate from Patiala, Parneet Kaur, need immediate attention. The apprehension of collusion of the political parties, including the Aam Aadmi Party, the Shromani Akali Dal and the Congress in scripting such disruptions for the BJP candidates looms large, said Sunil Jakhar while submitting the memorandum. The state machinery, he added, cannot act as a conduit to facilitate such obstructions. Jakhar said that these parties are clearly rattled by the increasing footprints of the BJP in Punjab. A BJP chief said that state DGP, chief secretary need to be put on notice for lapses that are leading to obstruction in BJP campaign and resulting in amplified threat to security of party candidates in poll fray. Protests and obstructions during the election cannot take place without prior permission and notice, he said, lamenting what was happening at the ground level augments the BJP's apprehension of a sponsored link to the ongoing disruptions. He further said that we apprehend threats to the safety of our candidates during the elections. The office of CEO cannot be a mute spectator to the underlying conspiracy to deny the right to campaign to the BJP. The BJP has utmost faith in the election process and the EC teams in the states. We expect the CEO to urgently intervene, keeping in mind the facts cited above. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.